Power up your journey with the CHREDSUN Solar Backpack. Open the first compartment near the solar panel. Inside we've equipped a built-in Type-C charging cable. You can power up your phone or devices right inside the bag, or use the side edge charging port for quick, on-the-go access. Inside the backpack, you'll also find dual USB-A and USB-C interfaces, so you can easily charge different devices whether it's your phone, tablet, or camera. On the outer edge, extra USB and Type-C ports offer even more flexibility. No more connector worries when you travel or camp outdoors. It's a smart 3-layer design for perfect organization. The first layer has small mesh pockets for accessories. The second fits clothes or a mini fan. And the third securely holds your laptop. The CHREDSUN Solar Backpack, multi-port charging and organized storage for outdoor trips.